Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you the new CalRC soldering mat. And for those kids out there that want to solder, this is the perfect intro in how to do that. Okay, get into the video. I'm gonna show you part 2 of the soldering mat and the motor that we're gonna be soldering today. Now we're gonna do the black string. Okay guys, right now I soldered and I put the soldering gun where it goes, but there's a twist. There's a drip of solder, and that isn't really a big deal. It's on a CalRC soldering mat and made for soldering on, and it just comes right off without even a mark. Goodbye guys. This, I hope, had been a good showcase for these kids out there that want to solder using CalRC.